Hello everyone, I have a Lenovo Legion 5 and it has been getting pretty hot during gaming recently, and also the cooling fans were getting very loud. So today I opened it up to check what's going on inside, and it looks like the cooling fans are clogged up with dust and other particles. So I'll be cleaning up the cooling system and replacing the thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU. While removing the heatsink assembly, you will notice some numbers on the panel, and please make sure that you follow the numbers in order while removing the screws from the panel. While cleaning the thermal paste, we need to clean it from both the sides, from on top of the CPU and GPU, and also from the heat panels. After unscrewing the heatsink assembly, we can go ahead and unscrew the fans and clean them with a soft brush or some compressed air. I don't have a compressed air supply, so I'll be using a soft brush. After that, we will be cleaning up the whole thermal residue on the CPU and GPU, and also from the heatsink with some alcohol solution. I purchased the Arctic MX6 thermal compound, and it came up with some wipes for this, so I'll be using them to clean the whole thermal compound. I've already cleaned up the fans with a soft brush. Now we'll be screwing that back in. This is the Arctic MX6 thermal compound, and we just need to apply it in a small amount in the center on both the CPU and GPU, and the pressure from the heatsink should evenly spread it when we connect it back. Hello everyone. My Lenovo Legion 5 has been getting pretty hot during gaming recently, and the fans were getting really loud. So today I opened it up to check what's going on inside, and it looks like the cooling system is clogged up with dust and other particles. So I'll be cleaning the cooling system and also replacing the thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU. I have already removed the back panel from it, and if you're doing this yourself, make sure to use a plastic pry tool so you don't damage the chassis of your laptop. Once everything is clean and reassembled, put the back panel back on and tighten all the screws.